Information literacy, health science from Credo provides librarians and instructors with the tools needed to teach students foundational skills in the health sciences. Containing 30-plus pieces of multimedia, InfoLit Health Science fully equips you to strengthen your students' information literacy skills. Topics range from foundational concepts like the scientific method, peer review, and evidence-based practice to practical skills like conducting smart searches in appropriate databases and finding relevant sources on important health subjects. The tutorials offer informative text, vibrant graphics, and videos illustrating concepts and scenarios. Strategically placed checkpoints and activities test students' understanding as they learn, and graded assessments quantify their progress. Our content is both customizable and portable. Edit the text in a tutorial or assessment question. Embed content at the point of need. Assign an entire section of tutorials or pick and choose to best fit your students' curriculum and assignments. InfoLit Health Science syncs to a gradebook and offers a full statistical suite, allowing librarians to track student usage and performance. With InfoLit Health Science's high-quality instructional materials to cover foundational topics and track students' work, your classroom time is freed up for active practice and high-impact learning. For more information on Credo's InfoLit Health Science and how we can partner with you, please contact us.